Hey guys, how are you? It's Tara Styles. Hope you're all having an awesome day. Just wanted to say hi and check in. I'm actually hanging out at Astrala Yoga. Woohoo! I'm on front desk duty today, holding down the fort. My good pal Jen Grossi is inside serving up the yoga. She's from my hometown, Morris, Illinois. Big shout out, Midwest. Woo-hoo. Anyway, just want to say hi, check in, see how you guys are doing. I'm headed back to LA next week to do some fun press launch stuff to help out Jane Fonda with the workout launch. So I'm in her yoga DVD for her new line. I think it's officially called Team Fonda. I'm not exactly sure. But yeah, it's amazing, amazing, amazing. The DVDs and the products are going to be in all Target stores December 26th. So I'm very happy and thankful to be a part of it. Obviously, she is a big hero to so many people, including myself. And I just got back from LA shooting the rest of the DVDs with Deepak Chopra, and also very thankful to have him in my life. And anyway, just wanted to check in with you guys, see how you all are doing. I'm also making a hat for Darren. I don't know if you can see this yarn, black yarn. So Darren, you are getting your hat hopefully when I see you next. So hopefully it will turn out good. So let me know how you guys are doing. I'm here for a few more hours, so if you want to leave a video response or comment, just let me know what you guys are doing, because I'm just hanging out today, chilling like a villain in the yoga studio. Waha. I know, it's very wholesome. I also stubbed my toe today. Yeah, big news in my world. Stubbed my toe. It hurts quite a bit though. I don't think it's broken, but it hurts, and I think I'll be alright, but I'm definitely limping on the toe. It's my own fault. I stepped over a chair, or ran into a chair or something. Okay, I'm babbling now, and I think Jen was peeking around because I think she might be able to hear me, so sorry about that, and I will see you all later.